Hello everyone. It's a beautiful morning today here in Bohol, Philippines. And today I'm gonna cook breakfast for my family. First, we have to make a fire. I'm going to cook rice, a vegetable soup, and I'm gonna grill a fish. First, let's cook the rice. And while the rice is cooking, I'm gonna harvest some vegetables from our garden. I got some ladyfingers or okra. We also have some aromatics in our garden, and here we have lemon basil. We also have lemongrass. For my vegetable soup, I'm also gonna put some greens. And here I'm harvesting moringa or malunggay leaves. Also, I harvested some Malabar spinach, but they say this is not really a spinach. This is the fish that I'm going to grill. This is called tulingan or a bullet tuna. I stuffed it with some spices to enhance the flavor and also to eliminate the fishy smell. So, these are the spices that I'm gonna use in my vegetable soup. And these are the vegetables that will go in the soup. And finally, everything is cooked. Vegetable soup is ready and also the rice. Bullet tuna is also ready. And that's the dip right there with soy sauce and vinegar. It's time to eat now. Come on guys, let's eat.
Nag-live.
Para ni sa ko YouTube. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless.